Here I have Motorola Moto E20, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn off your device, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after that you will enter Fastboot mode. As you can see, the small letters here saying Fastboot mode, and here too, so it's 100% sure Fastboot mode. So if you want to exit this mode, all you need to do is to just hold down power key for about 5 or 7 seconds, and after that your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.